Today I'm going to be showing how to resolve the kernel security check failure error you might be getting in Windows 8 or Windows 10. Specifically, the big thing that this issue is caused by is having a faulty display driver installed in your computer. So in this tutorial I'll be showing how to roll back that driver update so you can hopefully resolve this blue screen. So we are going to start by heading over to the Start menu, and we're going to search up Device Manager. Should be listed directly above the control panel, so you want to left click on that. Left click on the little drop down arrow next to display adapters, and then whichever display adapter is listed here, right click on it. Left click on the properties button at the bottom of this drop down menu. Left click on the driver tab at the top, and then select rollback driver. And you can see a little message here. If the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previously installed driver. So very simple. Left click on this button right here. And then you'll be asked, are you sure you want to roll back to the previous version of the driver software? So just select, if you're prompted for why you're rolling back, just select any reason, doesn't really matter. And then you can just select yes. And then that should roll back the driver software update. And hopefully at this point you should be good. I'd recommend waiting until the next driver update comes out for that display adapter and then install. But definitely do not try and reinstall that one display adapter, because obviously there is something faulty going on there. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.